Good morning everyone, I'm Daisy Regina Rasigan and for today, we are going to talk about cellular respiration. What is cellular respiration? It is a chemical process in which oxygen is used to make energy from carbohydrate sugars, also called aerobic metabolism, aerobic respiration, and oxidative metabolism. Formula of cellular respiration. When employing chemical formulas, it is critical to ensure that the atoms on the left and right are balanced, as nothing is generated or destroyed in the process. The complete balanced chemical formula of cellular respiration is C6H12O6 plus 6O2 arrow 6CO2 plus 6H2O plus ATP. What are the three main steps of cellular respiration? A metabolic process called cellular respiration converts glucose in ATP glycolysis. Pyruvate oxidation. The citric acid or Krebs cycle and oxidative respiration are the phase of cellular respiration. The three main steps in cellular respiration. Number 1. Glycolysis. It is the metabolic pathway that converts glucose into pyruvate and in most organisms occurs in the liquid part of the cell. Number 2. The Krebs cycle or citric acid cycle. It is a chain of reaction occurring in the mitochondria through which almost all living cells produce energy in aerobic respiration. Electron transport chain or ETC. It is a series of protein complex in molecule that transfer electrons and protons across a membrane. The ETC is also a part of the process of oxidized phosphorylation which generates cellular ATP. That's all about cellular respiration. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.